Sa panahon po ng napakamahal na langis, talagang ramdam ito ng mga tsuper, ng mga magsasaka at pamilya bilang dating Energy Secretary. Sapat na ho ba yung ginagawa ng pamahalaan para maibsan yung bigat ng bawat Pilipino, or ano pa yung nakikita nyong pwede pang gawin sana?
Well, tayo naman siguro sa nakikita natin, may marami tayong pagkukulang, no? Marami tayong pagkukulang on how to face or address the situation. Comparing how we did, no, for example, with Vietnam and our neighbors, ibang-iba, no? Minsan kinukumpara natin na sarili natin sa bansa natin sa mga ginawa, mga measures that have been undertaken by other countries, behind tayo. Ang unang problema ng Pilipinas na nakikita ko from my perspective as a former Secretary of Energy, yung ating failure to invest in energy security. Yun ang kulang na kulang natin. Kaya noon panahon natin ng panahon ng dating administrasyon, we were asking to invest in the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. Kung may naglagay tayo ng Strategic Petroleum Reserve, this will help a lot in cushioning the impact on the price of oil and even on the supply of oil. Kaya lang nangyayari sa atin, puro reactive tayo. Now, we also have to consider that it's not just oil, it's not just transport that we are facing. We need to look at our electricity, the power, the energy, no? Lalo na ngayon, umiinit ang panahon. The demand for electricity will go up. We have to match our demand and supply. How do we manage our demand and how do we manage our supply? Mabuti na lang, I have to mention this. There is one good thing in managing demand because GSIS, for example, they opened their window for granting loans to yung mga solar roof installation. Yes. And I think they have installed, they have released 11,000. What is good is good. Magandang programa yon because that will lessen the demand in the grid. So siguro yun, kailangan we have our PNOC Renewables, our SSS members. So what about our SSS members if it is just a GSIS? No? So yung mga ganung bagay, we really need to prepare, we need to invest. So ngayon, at least may kon ngayon, medyo nakahinga ika nga tayo dahil tumigil putukan, bumaba ang presyo, humina ang dollar. Baka naman tayo maging kampante na naman. No? I have to put our acts together. We Filipino, no? Walang regardless of political color, kailangan magkaisa na paano natin i-address yung na yan. Yung tama gawin natin. No? And I think yung pag-angkat ang paggawa to invest in energy security is a primary concern because hindi lang ito. This is not the only thing. Something more will happen that would really greatly affect energy, oil, no? So, yun lang ang natin. We really have and invest in energy security.
Yung sinasabi niyo pong energy security, tingin niyo bakit hindi nagawa ng mga nakalipas na administrasyon at ngayon ay, we don't know yet kung ano ba ang plano din ng kasalukuyang administrasyon about it. Sabi nyo nga, regardless if this is something, kung anumang administrasyon to, dapat naging prioridad. So, bakit sa tingin nyo hindi ma-push or hindi masuportahan itong pag-i-invest sa energy security? What's the biggest challenge?
Politika. Politika. It's not politika. Protecting certain interest pagka hindi nakukuha. Napakahirap. I've been there. Nasasabi nyo, bakit hindi mo, siguro mga publiko sasabihin, bakit hindi mo ginawa noon? Well, we attempted it. It's there. The records are there in Senate, in Congress, how we presented the plan of doing energy petroleum reserve. Why we asked that, for example, why did we ask that nuclear power plant be part of our energy mix? That's part of energy security. So those are the things. No, exploration of West Philippine Sea, tapping our indigenous sources of power. Kailangan those are investments that the country has to make. So ngayon, nangyayari allocate how many billions buy oil. How are we going to monitor that? How are we going to do that? So iba yung nag-i-invest talaga. Iba yung investment and iba yung ayuda. Iba yun. No? So I think we have to focus on investment and putting our acts together. The economic managers on how are we going to address all of this, no? Sabi nga natin, ang energy, kung electricity yung pag-uusapan natin, how do you address? Marami tayong issue, maraming problema sa electricity from the supply, the grid, no? Tapos the demand. So sama-sama po lahat 'yan.